Good morning, everybody. Today I am solving a problems on a rivet, which is of type 3. So far, we have seen type 1, where temperature, thickness, diameter of a pitch, diameter of a rivet, and pitch are given. TDP are given. Then it is nothing but a type 1 problem. Correct. So afterwards, what is the type 2? Type 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? Here only thickness is given. Only thickness is given. Then we have to find out the diameter of a rivet and pitch of the rivets. There are two methods for calculating the pitch. Okay. So this is regarding the second type. Okay. So afterwards, here comes the next type, last type in problems on rivets, that is type 3. Here no thickness, no diameter, no pitch of the rivets are given. Only what he gives, the particular application or particular area where we can we can make use of this riveting system to produce a boiler. He has given one of the example where you have to make a boiler in such a way that you have to select what should be the thickness of a boiler ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು rivet system ನಲ್ಲಿ production ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, or at the same time the space availability. So for boiler, what is the space, the size or the diameter of a boiler, as well as the maximum pressure which the boiler can produce, which the boiler can sustain, which the boiler can have inside it. So with the help of these parameters, we can determine the thickness, diameter and pitch of the rivet. So far you have seen if thickness is given, diameter of a pitch and diameter of the rivet and pitch we can calculate. Now in this type, no thickness is given. Only you will be given with the pressure inside the boiler. Say for example, suppose if this is the boiler which you have to produce, which you have to make with the help of plates. Okay, so the plates, end of a plate is riveted or end of the plate is joined by means of a riveting system. So in that particular application, you will be given with the size, diameter of a boiler, and what the maximum pressure inside it. These are the only two parameters given in the problem, from which you have to calculate thickness, calculate dia of rivets and pitch. Afterwards you have to check the efficiency, eta is also given, but you have to concentrate on the rest of the factors like TDP, PT, PS, PC, okay, and margin also. So let us take a problem. So that is given in the syllabus of serial number problem number 9, serial number 3. Let me read out, please concentrate, and all my students, you can note down the problem as well. Only a problem you can take, afterwards just concentrate how I am solving. Okay, design a double riveted butt joint with the two cover plates for the longitudinal seam of a boiler shell 1.5 meters in a diameter, subjected to a steam pressure of 0.95 newtons per mm square. Assume joint efficiency as 75%. Allowable tensile stress in the plate is 90 MPa megapascal. Compressive stress 140 MPa and shear stress in the rivet is 56 MPa. So straight away let me write without any hesitation the given data. So please write, please concentrate. Given data, I will write. Okay, please note down, please concentrate on the data which is given, data which we have to calculate as well. double riveted butt joint. Double riveted butt joint is the type of a riveting system, and longitudinal seam of a boiler shell 1.5 diameter of a boiler, dia of a boiler. Later on we will denote it by a symbol or a letter, alphabetical letter, which is given, whether it is given in the data book or not. Okay, so afterwards we will denote it. It is 1.5 meters. So in terms, we can write it as 1500 mm also. Is that right? 1000 meter means 1 meter means 1000 mm. 1.5 means 1500. Afterwards, joint efficiency eta. Efficiency is 75%, or we can take it as 0.75. Afterwards, tensile stress sigma T is given 90 megapascal. You can write it as mega Newton per meter square. Compressive stress sigma C 140 MPa. We can write it as 140 mega Newton per meter square. Shear stress tau, it is 56 MPa, which is equals to 56 mega Newton per meter square. Is that right? Please concentrate. Okay, so after this we have to solve this problem. Please concentrate on the data book. Open the data book. Everyone, you should open the data book of page number 79. Pressure is steam pressure is also given, right? Steam pressure, where can I write? Steam pressure yesterday. Steam pressure is 0.95 Newton per mm square, which is nothing but mega Newton per meter square. Correct? Is that correct? So afterwards we shall go for solution. So when you refer the page number 79 of rivets chapter, yes, please refer the details in the beginning of the page number 79. In this, pressure acting inside the boiler is taken as PI, correct? Pressure acting in the boiler is taken as PI. See, if you refer this starting page, PI is taken as the pressure acting inside the boiler, so that I can denote it by PI. Okay, so if you know this much, you can easily solve this problem. For that purpose, equation 5.1 you concentrate. Equation number, first we have to note down the thickness. We have to calculate the thickness, right? Therefore, this is equation from which you can calculate the thickness. Thickness is given pi capital D divided by diameter of a boiler is capital D, and here it is PI. Okay, pressure is PI, correct? So PI D upon 2 into sigma T into eta, correct? So substitute the values. PI is how much? PI is what? 0.95 multiplied by diameter is, ready? While referring the diameter D, internal diameter of a pressure vessel ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ mm ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನ್ರೋ ಸೊ 1500 upon 2 multiplied by sigma t is ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 90 multiplied by eta efficiency it should be in what fractions that is ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ 0.75 okay so use the calculator and substitute these values and get me the answer फटाफट so what is the answer 10.55 what should be the unit ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಾಟಾ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ thickness t page number 79 it should be mm only yesterday some of the students have not written the units if you have not written you should write by referring the data book that's all okay see now the thickness is 10.55 this 10.55 thickness of a plate may not be available it is definitely not available why because such a 0.55 who can manufacture it so therefore we have to take a standard thickness the standard thickness of a plates are also given in the data book see page number 85 I will select t is equals to look at that page number 85 table number 5.3c thickness of steel plates for structural works pressure vessels and boilers in mm it ranges from it starts from a 0.5 is that right so what is that 10 after 10 12 is there correct therefore we can use 12 mm thick plates for making a boiler okay so estate 12 mm this is the standard of plate size so you have to write down the table number also table number is 5.3c page number 85 see here write the equation number ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು 5.1 ಅಲ್ವಾ page number 79 this is also very very important so here is the first part afterwards see once after calculating the thickness as you know you can follow the type 2 steps to determine diameter and then you can go for determining the value of a picture so second we can calculate here dia of rivets right dia of rivets so here how to calculate dia when you know the thickness what is the equation yes diameter d is equals to what 6.07 root t equation number page number equation number is 5.11d page number is 81 right now you substitute the values 6.07 root 12 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ ಫಟಾಫಟ್ ಬಂತೇನ್ರಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 21.02 mm ಹೌದಾ so this may not be the standard diameter of our rivets therefore we have to go for referring the table again don't write ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ so d is equals to now we have to refer the standard table which is table number 5.3b correct so 21 after 21 22 is available so that I can take table number 5.3b page number is 84 correct so after that diameter I should go for pitch calculation, correct? So for calculating the pitch there are two equations. Which is the equation number 1? Pitch is equals to K1T plus 41 mm. So now you can use this equation number and page number as well. Okay, so I will directly substitute here. K1, how to calculate, how to select the value of K1, page number nodi 5.4a, 5.4a. Okay, coefficient K1 in equation 5.12b. Double riveted butt joint. Double rivets means you have to take a row, second row. The number of rivets is to double. And first column is number of rivets, second column is coefficients for lap joint. Coefficient for single butt strap joint 3.06 we should not select. Coefficients for double butt strapped joint you can take, though it is not given single strap or double strap, it is not given, we have to take it as a double strap only. For that purpose you can take a 3.5. Okay, 3.5 into T is 12 plus 41 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ, ಫಟಾಫಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು 83 ಬಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೇಗೆ 35 ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು, 70 ಆಯ್ತು ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, 7 ಆಯ್ತು. 7 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ 6 ಮಾಡಿ 42 ಅಲ್ಲ, 42 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 41 ಎಷ್ಟು 83. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. 83 mm ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಅನದರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ calculate with the help of the equation. One more equation, what is that? Pitch is equals to N1 plus 1.875 into bracket 5 b square tau whole divided by 4t sigma t plus diameter, correct? Here what is the value of N1? N1, what should be the value of N1 here? N1 is 0. N2 is double rivet means 2 rivets, correct? Therefore I will take it as 0 and directly I will substitute 875 into 2 bracket close multiplied by 5 into d square andre diameter eshtiದೆ 22 square into tau. Tau ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 56, right? Whole divided by 4 into thickness is 12 multiplied by sigma t. Sigma t ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 90 plus what is the diameter 22. ನೀವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ? Have you added this 22 afterwards? ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ. Now please concentrate in type 2 problem. Type 2 problems. I solved one problem where I think I have forgotten to consider this diameter. So if the answer is varied, please make it a correction. Correction ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. What is that correction? This answer plus diameter you should add. I think since you have given some different value without adding this, ನೀವು ಅದೇ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. So I continued. Okay, so type 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ according to the equation you have to note it down. Okay, equation number 1 ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Equation number and page number. Okay, so what is the answer? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 95.9 91 mm. Between these two values, you have to select which is the least value. Now the least value 83 is the least value. Select pitch is equals to 83 mm for future calculations. Okay, understood? Afterwards, we shall move on to the next step, that is calculation of PT. PT is what? PT equation, you know? P minus D into T. ಹೌದಾ? P minus D into T into sigma T. Equation number ಬರೀರಿ, equation number and page number. Equation number and page number you can write. Okay. Write the equation number and page number. So PT is equals to what? Pitch ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ 83, correct? 83 minus 22. 83 minus 22 into thickness is how much? Thickness ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 12. Sigma T ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Sigma T ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ 90, correct? So get me the answer PT. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 65.8 into 10 raised to 3 newtons. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದೇ ತರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಏನಿದೆ? PC ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. PC ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು? N1 Pi plus N2T into D sigma C. Equation number ಏನು? Page number ಏನು? Equation number 5.6 E and page number is 80. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು equation number? ಮೇಲೊಂದು 5.6 B ಅಲ್ವಾ? 5.6 B and page number is 18. Substitute the values. N1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು I will not consider. Okay. So N2 is 2. N2 is 2 multiplied by thickness ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 12. ಹೌದಾ? Bracket close. Multiplied by diameter is 22 into sigma C is ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 140. 140. PC is equals to what? 12 2s are 24. 24 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 140. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 73.92 into 10 raised to 3 newtons. So next value is this much. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we have to calculate PS by what? 4 5 6. PS is equal to what? N1 plus 1.875 N2 into pi d square by 4 into tau. Equation number, page number is to 5.6 D, page number 80. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay, so substitute the values. PS is equal to what? N1 is 0. 1.875 multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi into 22 square upon 4 into tau ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 56, right? So PS is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? ಇದು multiplied by pi multiplied by 22 square multiplied by 56 whole divided by 4 ಮಾಡಿ 79.82 into 10 raised to 3 newtons, right? So now we have to go for calculating the efficiency as well, though it is given in the problem. After all these parameters we have to here efficiency is not required. efficiency is already given. Okay, so 0.75 or 75% is there. See, after this you can calculate a margin. M is equal to 1.5D. Equation number you write. What is the equation number for margin? 5.16. 5.16. 5.16 and page number is 83. 1.5 into 22 alwa 33 mm is the margin, and afterwards you can calculate inner and outside plates. T outer is equals to 0.625T. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 0.625 into thickness is 12. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? And ninth one is thickness I, which is equation number 5.4F. 0.75T, 750T, 0.75 into 20 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. This is equation number 5.4F. This is equation number 5.4E. Correct? ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಿದ್ದು? 7.5 mm, and here bottom exact 9 mm. ಎಷ್ಟು 9 mm. Okay, see, this is how you have to calculate the all parameters, like right from thickness, diameter, pitch by two methods, after pitch, PT, PC, PS, margin, thickness of outer strap, thickness of inner strap. Again I am telling you, in the type 2 problems I have not considered this diameter, therefore you have got a picture very less value, so you make a correction and consider this diameter according to the equation given. Okay, so refer this. Thank you.